Hello everyone. So this is the first class in dynamics, and here I will talk about the kinematics of a particle. So before I start, I will give a little bit information about the 7 weeks plan. That in this 7 week we will cover 7 chapters for one week, one chapter. So you can see the number of pages for each chapter. The chapter 12 is more than 100 pages. So chapter 13 is 66 pages. So this way you have all the pages for the whole chapters. And the first chapters are first few chapters are on particle. You can see that this one is that all focused on particle, and then the last 3 chapters are on the rigid body. So if I do a small calculation, I see that we have 11 chapters with 682 pages. And then if we have 7 week plan, which is what we have, so we have the 7 chapters with 517 pages. So per week, what it means is that we have to see almost average on 74 pages. We had assignments with the quizzes, and then so you can see the load if you want to learn the dynamics. So, but what we can do is that we cannot cover the whole chapters in details, but we can go the fundamentals of the dynamics. So, a what is this class about? So, we will just go with the problem solving skills. So, how to solve problems in dynamics. So, it doesn't mean that the problems will be always easy, but we will focus on the simple to medium, let's say, difficult questions. So we will see the simple to medium difficulty level questions. And then we will see a real world problem. So that is the good side of the dynamics. So it is a applied mechanics, you can say. And then I will try, and then most of the problems, even they are real world. And then you will have some mathematics. So you will need to know about the vectors, you will need to know about the differentiation and then integration. So the derivatives and then integrals, these are the most important ones that you are going to use. And then understand the concepts through problem solving. So you can say that so it is more problem solving. It is more problem solving than the theory. So what it means is we will learn the concepts through the solving different kind of real world problems. And then the last thing that I should mention, that I will not show the derivation of the formulas, only final form will be given, because as I said, this is a 7 weeks plan, and then for the 7 weeks plan for this amount of page, this amount of topics, it is impossible to talk about the theory, derivation, the formulas, how they are derived, and then the it is impossible. So what I will do is that I will just go through problem solving, and then through this problem solving you will develop your skills, and then you will see how the real world problems apply with using some mathematics as the vectors and the differentiation and the integration. So the grading will be just, we will have this is as in the syllabus. So we will have 25% on homeworks, and then 10% on discussions, and 25% on midterm, and 25% on the final. So, and then 15% on the quizzes. So mostly it will be on my lab and mastering. I will post it there, but I did not start it yet. But I believe you will have the first homework, and then the first assignment set for this week. So it will be a weekly essentially. So you will have every week the set of homeworks. So this is how we are going to proceed. But sometimes it may be on Canvas as well. So the Canvas case, I will just send an email. Okay, so before I start the topic, let me stop it here.